Yes, we move again. We move again to another video with me, Kudzima Zero, on this YouTube channel. I hope you are great. I hope you are fine. I hope you are doing good. I hope God is blessing you. Jehovah is blessing you wherever you are around the world. I have another video for you as I continue again on my Bulawayo series. I call them Bulawayo series. Bulawayo series, my stories when I went Kwabulawayo, when I went to Bulawayo in Zimbabwe in January, February 2025, this very year, this particular year, I went to Bulawayo and a lot happened. And I'm sharing my stories, the good, the bad, the ugly, the beautiful. I'm sharing my stories right on this platform, YouTube, on my channel. This is another story coming to you live and direct from me right now in this video. So I had another story. People in Bulawayo, the one I was talking to, mixing and mingling, and the one I was socializing with or interacting with, they told me that, you know what, Kudzi? Ndebele guys, they crave Shona girls, they crave to marry Shona women. I'm like, what? I thought it was supposed to be Ndebele guys, they want their Ndebele girls, or Ndebele guys, they crave their very own Ndebele women. But it was the opposite. So this is what they told me in Bulawayo, that you know what? Ndebele guys, Tina Ndebele guys, we love your Shona girls. Tina Ndebele guys, we crave, we love, we like your Shona women, your Shona ladies, your Shona girls. We love them, we like them, we want to marry them, want to have some friendships with them, want to have some romantic or sexual relationships with them, sexual romantic relationships with them, want to have some kind of feelings with them, or seriously, we want to marry them for the rest of our lives as Ndebele guys. This is what I heard when I was in Bulawayo this year, 2025, in the month of January and in the month of February. I was very surprised. I was very shocked. I'm like, what? What? Because at the back of my mind, I'm thinking, like, it was supposed to be Ndebele guys. They like their very own Ndebele women, Ndebele ladies, Ndebele girls. This is what I was thinking at the back of my mind. This is what I was thinking for all my time. But I was shocked that it's actually the opposite. Ndebele guys, they are craving for Ndebele, for Shona girls, Shona ladies, Shona women. They are craving, they want them, they are liking them. For whatever purpose, for a relationship, for a friendship, for a fling, just to catch cruise, just to have fun, catch up fun. But they want Shona girls, they want Shona women, they want Shona ladies. So it's one of the stories I heard in Bulawayo. I'm like, what? And some of the people were even giving me some practical examples. Some of the people in Bulawayo, when I was there for 3 weeks, 21 days, 3 weeks, I was there in Bulawayo, and some of them were pointing to me some real examples, practical examples to say, so and so married a Shona woman, a Shona woman, so and so married a Shona girl, so and so married a Shona lady from this other city, from this other town in this Zimbabwe. And they're having a good marriage, they're having a good relationship. So and so is dating this Shona girl, so and so is dating this other Shona lady or Shona woman, and they're having a great romantic or sexual relationship, a great fling. They're having a great friendship, a great relationship, a great marriage, whatever kind of relationship, either a fling, a marriage, or a relationship. This is what I heard when I was in Bulawayo. This is what I heard when I was in Bulawayo. I was very surprised. And now, on the reverse side, it's rare. It's rare to hear a Shona guy, a Shona man saying, I want to marry a Ndebele girl, a Ndebele woman, or a Ndebele lady. It's very rare. I don't think in my life, in my small life, in my little life, I've heard of such statements. That no, I'm a Shona guy, and I'm dreaming to marry a Ndebele girl. I'm dreaming to marry a Ndebele woman. I am dreaming to marry Ndebele girl. I've never heard of such narratives or statements. Wherever I went to, wherever I traveled to in my life, in South Africa, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, I've never heard of such things. I've never heard of such statements or such dreams, such hopes or aspirations that, you know what, I'm a Shona guy, I'm a Shona man from whatever city in Zimbabwe, and I'm targeting or I'm dreaming, I'm planning to marry a Ndebele girl, Ndebele woman, Ndebele lady. I've never heard of such things. I've never heard of such things. Honestly speaking, truly speaking, I've never heard of such kind of things. And now, just when I was in Bulawayo, then I hear of Ndebele guys, Ndebele men, young or old, saying to me, you know what? We are targeting to marry your Shona girls, your Shona women, your Shona ladies. We are targeting to marry them. We are planning. We are dreaming every day, every time to marry them, to have some friendships with them, to have some relationship with them, romantically and sexually. We want to have some relationships with them, your Shona girls, your Shona women, your Shona ladies. I'm like, what? What? I was surprised to the core. I was so shocked down to the core. But anyway, it's one of the stories that happened to me when I was in Bulawayo. My first trip to Bulawayo, Zimbabwe. My very first trip to Bulawayo, Zimbabwe. This is one of the stories that happened. One of the stories that transpired when I was in Bulawayo. What do you say? What's your comment? What's your take? Explain to me or describe to me, expagorate to me, what is the meaning of this narrative? What's the meaning of this behavior which Ndebele people or Ndebele guys are doing in Bulawayo? What's the meaning of this behavior? What is the meaning of this narrative? What's the meaning of this scenario or this phenomenon? What is the meaning? What is the interpretation of this whole thing? Talk to me. Let's discuss in the comments box, comment section, that they want Shona girls, they want Shona women, they want Shona ladies, for whatever reason, relationship, marriage, or just a fling, just to catch cruise, just to have fun. And they don't want their own girls. They don't want their own ladies. They don't want their own women. They don't want, they don't like, they don't prefer their Ndebele ladies, Ndebele girls, Ndebele women. They don't prefer them. They don't like them. They are so much against them. Either for a relationship, either for a marriage, either for a friendship, either just for a fling, or just to catch cruise or have fun. They don't want their own ladies. They don't want their own women. They don't want their own girls. But they want the Shonas in this kind of Zimbabwe. Talk to me. Let's discuss this narrative, this phenomenon, this scenario, practically as it is. Practically as it is. Thank you so much for tuning in, stopping by to listen and watch this video. What are your take? Write anything in the comment section. I'm signing out now. Remember to pray. In Jesus' name. Sharp.